Today I'm going to show you a super convenient method to make steamed minced pork with vermicelli. It's so easy, just place all the ingredients in a bowl and steam it. So let's start cooking. Hi, welcome back. Just a quick mention, you can get a beautiful printable PDF of this recipe over at patreon.com/RuiAsiaRecipes. If you'd like to support the channel, you can sign up for only $3 a month. Now let's start by marinating the pork. You can use your favorite seasoning or you can follow mine. Add salt, sugar, light soy sauce, abalone sauce, minced garlic, minced ginger, and potato starch. Mix it all together. If you want the meat to be more springy, mix in one direction until it forms a sticky paste. Then set it aside. Now let's prepare the noodles. Wash and soak the noodles for 2 to 3 minutes. Then place them in a steam-safe bowl. Spread the marinated minced pork evenly on top. You want to make sure that the minced pork is spread out evenly and thinly so that it cooks faster and at the same time. For more flavor, I'm going to add chicken stock. You can also use water instead of chicken stock. In a wok, bring water to a boil. Then steam the mincemeat and noodles for 12 to 15 minutes. About 1 to 2 minutes before it's done, add some vegetables. Then steam again. Garnish with some fried shallots, coriander, or chili. That's it, it's so easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. For more exclusive and easy recipes, check out my Patreon at patreon.com/RuiAsiaRecipes.